OBC reservation matter before High Court?
See, this was a petition filed by some private citizens saying that OBC reservation is not provided by the Election Commission. The High Court has not entertained this petition, and High Court has said that because the elections are imminent now, elections are fixed on 10, and the triple test may not be satisfied before that. Therefore, High Court said that we are not entertaining this petition. But insofar as the stand of the state government, that the government will do everything for the purpose of protecting the rights of OBC, that has been recorded by the High Court and specifically mentioned in its order.
So what can be done by the state government in this current scenario?
See, according to me, 11th is the day where I think the Election Commission may announce the schedule. Before that, it is possible, according to me, for the Election Commission to provide for reservation for OBC. And insofar as state government is concerned, state government is actually doing everything possible, and accordingly it will be done, and the Election Commission will be approached for the purpose of providing reservation for OBC category. And I think even there the State Election Commission has to make a reservation, and according to me the State Election Commission will have to issue a necessary corrigendum or maybe necessary order for providing for reservation for OBC, and that also now, according to me, it lies on the Election Commission to ensure that the elections and the OBC reservations are provided for. Otherwise, what will happen is for next 5 years, the OBC community will suffer, and that will be contrary to the Panchayat Raj Act, also the Constitution. So therefore, entire burden is on the State Election Commission now. If they want, they can provide for this reservation, and I think it is possible for the Election Commission to provide for reservation. Election Commission on no count should avoid reservation for OBC in the ensuing election. It is the duty of the Election Commission, because now it is with the Election Commission that they should provide for reservation. Reservations are no more within the power of the state government, and whatever cooperation, whatever support is required, the state government is providing and will be provided. And according to me, before 11th, the Election Commission should provide for reservation by making necessary amendments.
Thank you, sir.